Meaning of hyperglycemia.
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 Hyperglycemia. Hyperglycemia refers to a medical condition characterized by abnormally high levels of glucose in the blood. This condition is commonly associated with diabetes, which affects the body's ability to regulate glucose levels. When blood glucose levels rise above normal, it can cause damage to organs and tissues throughout the body, leading to serious health complications including cardiovascular disease, kidney damage, nerve damage, and vision problems. Treatment for hyperglycemia typically involves medications to lower blood glucose levels, along with lifestyle changes such as diet and exercise to help manage the condition.